Purnima ma'am. Today we are going to discuss the third chapter of mathematics class 11, that is trigonometry, and our subtopic is trigonometric equation. First of all, we discuss about the what is the trigonometric equation. Equation which involves trigonometric functions of unknown angle is known as the trigonometric equation. Now how we find the solution of this trigonometric equation? A solution of trigonometric equation is the values of unknown angle that satisfies the equation. A trigonometric equation may have an infinite number of solutions. Now see what type of they have two types of solution, that is principal solution and general solution. In principal solution, we opt only one rotation, one complete rotation, that is the solution of trigonometric equation for which x lies between 0 to 2 pi, that is called the principal solution. In general solution, a solution of trigonometric equation involving n which gives all the solution of trigonometric equation is called the general solution. Here we find the many more solutions. When we put the value of n, we get the different solutions of one trigonometric function. Now see some general solutions are there. When sin x is equal to 0 gives its general solution is x is equal to n pi. We put the value of n 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on, and we get the different trigonometric functions solutions. Now where n belongs to the integer, cos x is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. When tan x is equal to 0, we get x is equal to n pi. These values, these general values, when we put this trigonometric function is equal to 0. Now this one, the next case, that is sin x is equal to sin y. Same trigonometric function with different angle. These two are equal. Then it gives the general solution is x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into y. Okay, means this angle, this angle is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n multiplied by this angle. Now in other trigonometric functions, cos x is equal to cos y implies x is equal to 2n pi plus minus y, where n belongs to z. In case of tan x plus tan x is equal to tan y, it implies x is equal to n pi plus y, where n belongs to z. Now this we see the two type of trigonometric equations when equate the trigonometric functions with 0, and here we equate the trigonometric function with same trigonometric function with different angle. Now in this case, same trigonometric function, the square of same trigonometric function with different angles. Sin square x is equal to sin square y. It gives x is equal to n pi plus minus y. Cos square x is equal to cos square y. It gives x is equal to n pi plus minus y. Tan square x is equal to tan square y. It gives x is equal to n pi plus minus y. All these general solutions we need to learn. Now on the basis of these general solutions, we find the general solutions of these questions, given questions. Now here find the principal and general solution of the given question is tan x is equal to root 3. Here tan x is equal to root 3. First we find at what angle tan, the value of tan is root 3. So at root 3, tan at 4 pi by 3, at pi by 3 is also, at pi by 3 is root 3, and 4 pi by 3 is also root 3. So here 10 pi by 3 is equal to 10 pi plus pi by 3. Pi by 3 is equal to root 3. Therefore the principal solution is pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3, because principal solution is what? It lies between 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi, it takes two values, that is pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3. Okay, so tan x is equal to 10 pi by 3, and its general solution is x is equal to n pi plus pi by 3. On the basis of, see the second question, Find the principal and general solution of the equation sec x is equal to 2. When sec x is equal to 2, at what value sec x gives 2? At pi by 3 or 5 pi by 3, in between 0 to 2 pi. So sec pi by 3 is equal to 2 and sec 5 pi by 3 is also sec pi by 3 is equal to 2. So here we have two values, x is equal to pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. Just two particular solution. Okay, now come for the general solution. Sec x is equal to sec pi by 3. It means cos x is equal to cos pi by 3. When cos x is equal to cos y, we know about it. X is equal to 2n pi plus minus y, means y is equal to pi by 3. This is the general solution of this equation. Now similarly, here find the principal solution and general solution of cot x is equal to minus root 3. Cot x is equal to minus root 3. We know about it. At what value of cot x? Cot x is equal to root 3. At root 3, cot pi by 6 is root 3. Now it takes negative sign, means pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus theta lies in second quadrant. Cot is negative. That's why we opt pi minus pi by 6. We get 5 pi minus pi by 6. 5 pi by 6, and at 2 pi minus pi by 6 is 11 pi by 6. At both the values, its value is minus root 3. So in this way we find its particular solution, that is 5 by 6 and 11 by 6. Now move for the general solution. Cot x is equivalent to 5 cot 5 pi by 6. Now tan x is equal to 10 5 pi by 6. We know about tan x is equal to 10y. X is equal to n pi plus y, means x is equal to n pi plus 5 pi by 6. This is the general solution of it. Now come in the next question. Find the general solution of cosec x is equal to minus 2. We know about it. At what value of cosec is 2? At pi by 6. Cosec pi by 6 is equal to 2. But it takes negative sign, means lies in which quadrant? Lies in third quadrant. Cosec pi plus pi by 6 is equal to minus cosec pi by 6 is equivalent to minus 2. Similarly, in fourth quadrant, it also negative. Cosec 2 pi minus pi by 6 is also gives same result. Now by here, pi plus pi by 6 is 7 pi by 6 and cosec 11 pi by 6 is equal to minus 2. At 7 pi by 6 or at 11 pi by 6, cosec's value is minus 2. These two are the principal solution of it. Now move for the general solution. Cosec pi x is equal to cosec 7 pi by 6. It is equivalent to sin x is equal to sin 7 pi by 6. This is the same result of second conditions, that is sin x is equal to sin y. We know about it. X is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n, 7 pi by 6. This is the general solution of it. Now comes in next question. Here is a very simple question. Cos 4x is equal to cos 2x. We know about it. Cos 4x is equal to cos 2x. We take this one is that side. Cos 4x minus cos 2x. We apply the conditions cos A minus cos B. We get the result minus 2 sin this 4x plus 2x by 2 or 4x minus 2x by 2. We get minus 2 sin 3x plus here minus 4x minus 2x is x upon 2, 2x upon 2 is x. This gives sin x sin 3x into sin x. Minus 2 goes this side, it is equivalent to 0. Now we put sin 3x is equal to 0 and sin x is equal to 0. Sin 3x is equal to 0, we apply the first condition, we know about it. This angle is equivalent to n pi. So 3x is equal to n pi, x is equal to n pi by 3. This angle equivalent to 0, x is equal to n pi, x is equal to n pi. Now see the question, general solution of the equation cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x. Similarly, we apply the same. Cos A plus cos B is here. We get 2 cos 2x cos x minus cos 2x. Take it common. Cos 2x is here. Cos 2x into 2 cos x minus x. We equate it with 0. Cos 2x is equal to 0. We know its general solution already. 2x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. We take this to this side. X is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 4. Similarly, to cos x minus 1 equal to 0, cos x is equal to 1 by 2, cos x is equal to cos pi by 3, and x is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3. Here students, it's very compulsory to learn all the general solutions which I've discussed in the starting. The general solution of the equation sin 2x plus cos 2x. We know about the sin 2x, 2 sin x into cos x. Take the common cos x is equal to 0 and put 2x minus plus 1 is equal to 0. Cos x is equal to 0. We know its general solution. X is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. When 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0, sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. At what value it is negative? To sin 7 pi by 6. Sin x is equal to sin 7 pi by 6. Means x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n 7 pi by 6. This is its general solution. Now come in this question. Sec square x 2x is equal to 1 minus tan 2x. We know the identity sec square 2x. Yes, sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. So we put the same with the angle 1 plus tan square 2x is equal to 1 minus tan 2x. Take this side. Tan square 2x plus tan 2x. This one become cancelled. Take the common tan 2x and 2x plus tan 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Equate both the functions with 0. Tan 2x is equal to 0. Tan 2x plus 1 equal to 0. See this condition, tan 2x is equal to 0. Tan 2x equal to tan 0. We get the value 2x is equal to n pi plus 0. X is equal to n pi by 2. When tan 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, tan 2x is equal to minus 1. At what value it is minus 1? At 3 pi by 4 it is minus 1. So tan 2x is equivalent to tan 3 pi by 4. We know its general solution. 2x is equal to n pi plus 3 pi by 4. X is equal to n pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 8. By this way, we find the general solution of all these trigonometric function. So students, practice on with it and try to solve the many more questions based on it. Thank you.